What if you were standing on a planet where survival is impossible? Not in theory, not in a story. Right now, a planet so hostile, even 5 seconds could end you. This is Venus. Your spacecraft descends slowly. The surface looks calm, almost peaceful. But beneath that calm is a world of crushing pressure, scorching heat, and clouds of pure acid. At 50 kilometers above the surface, the temperature seems almost familiar. The pressure is manageable. Some scientists imagine floating cities here. But below this layer, Venus becomes a death trap. The clouds thicken, the light fades, the spacecraft trembles. The air is denser than any ocean on Earth. You are falling through a fluid. 10 kilometers from the surface, the temperature climbs past 400 degrees Celsius. Every second closer makes survival less likely. The ground appears. Volcanic rock stretches endlessly. No oceans, no plants, no wind. Touchdown. Your hatch opens, and your 1 minute begins. First second, your foot touches the ground. Solid rock, formed by violent volcanic flows. Second 5, the pressure is overwhelming. Your suit resists. Barely. Second 10, heat presses from every direction. Not fire, not flames, but an invisible, crushing wave. Second 15, sound distorts. Your instruments struggle. Second 20, sulfuric clouds swirl above you. The sky glows an unnatural yellow. No shadows, no sun. Second 25, electronics begin to fail. Cameras flicker, sensors shut down. Second 30, you are losing the fight. Not against fire, not against storms, but against the planet itself. Your suit alarms rise. Systems struggle. Cooling is barely keeping up. Venus does not kill with explosions. It kills by removing the possibility of life. 1 minute ends. No human suit today could survive this. Not even 1 minute. Why is Venus like this? Because Venus is not simply hot. It is a warning. Long ago, Venus may have been similar to Earth. It could have had oceans, clouds, mild climate. But it is closer to the sun, and that small difference changed everything. Water evaporated. Heat increased. A runaway greenhouse effect began. The oceans vanished. Hydrogen escaped into space. Oxygen reacted with surface minerals. Venus became locked in its own atmosphere. Carbon dioxide continued to accumulate. The atmosphere grew heavier. Temperatures stabilized at 460 degrees Celsius. Pressure reached 90 times that of Earth. Venus does not cool down. It cannot. Even a spacecraft cannot survive here for long. Even robots fail. Yet high above the surface, there is a narrow layer where temperature and pressure are almost comfortable. Some scientists propose floating habitats here. Humans could survive, suspended above the death below. But touching the surface? Impossible. Even 5 seconds is deadly. From orbit, Venus looks peaceful, bright, smooth, beautiful, a symbol of love and beauty in human history. But beneath that calm light lies a world that refuses life, machines, and human curiosity. Imagine standing there, knowing no one can save you. No quick explosions, no dramatic storms, only crushing heat, pressure, and poisonous clouds. Venus removes the possibility of survival. Silently, relentlessly. Even if your suit is perfect, it fights a losing battle. Even 5 seconds is a test the human body cannot pass. Venus is not just a planet. It is proof of planetary limits. If Earth crosses its own lines, we could face similar irreversible change. The rules that made Venus deadly are the same rules that govern life here. And when a planet crosses that line, it never returns. Next time you look at Venus in the night sky, its soft, bright light is a mask. Beneath it lies a world where 1 minute is impossible. A world that refuses cooperation. A world that cannot be touched. Even the most peaceful-looking planet can hide danger beyond imagination.